presentation now. My subscribers and my YouTubers them too. Them see what I want. So then it's still I try to reach out to everyone, you know what I mean? You see it, no? You like it, no? Like it, no? I look for you too. Share it. So other people can benefit. But some mistake, you know, I don't care if nobody not like me, not like everybody. Share my status. I have poor people in my status, don't share my status.
What?
The thing. Share. No, I want other people can benefit. So I still I don't care if nobody not like me, I just like everybody. Understand, guys? Yeah. I see in life sometimes students don't even know the importance of education. You understand? The only time I feel good, I like when you help people. So I become a teacher and so I can help people. Big up movie. And thanks for sending your students, your children to class. Love that, respect that, man. Thanks so much. And them are do well, you know already still, but you don't know. Alright. So I go through these. We just want to share it, mom. So you have students who they want learning, but them can't afford it. So you have to try and reach out to everyone. Alright. And we're gonna go slow because I like with the pan. And I like me have to watch space and so. These are multiple choice questions, however, I took the liberty of taking away the options because too often students just think about if you say just look at the answers and guess one. Students must have structure and so forth. You don't need to guess multiple choice. 60 out of 60. That was if you see second, you know. City and Guild, same way. Add math, same thing. Alright. So the first one said if A asterisk B is equal to AB squared, then 2 asterisk 3 is equal to. Alright, when you see this, guys, where you think go? That's the first thing you think.
Which one?
That one. So you have A asterisk B is equal to AB squared. And then the answer, then 2 asterisk 3 is equal to. Just tell me what you think. You no matter if you never see it before. Very good. You think for substitute and multiply, right? So what it means, this 2 is represented A. Very good, Chini. And 3 would be, or B would be 3. So you follow the orders. So you see, it's like you said this A asterisk B. That's simple thing. So all we do now is to substitute these values. So this one says AB squared. This is a rule. So we must follow the rule. Just like how your parents have rule, do your homework before you watch TV. I hope that one rule, you know. Okay, yeah. Just like our parents have rules, yeah. So follow the rules. So we just set it out first. This means A times B, right? So it will be 2 times 3 squared. See that? Alright, so now ask yourself, what does 2 times 3 squared mean? Remember the bonus rule. So we have to do it. Yes. So we have to square first, right? Because the bonus rule say we have to square. So if we rewrite it, this would be like 2 times 3 times.
Oh, that.
Yeah. But it not it. So 3 is 9. Even though it will make a difference, the answer will make a difference. If we say 2 3 6 times 3, right? And then we say 2 9s. I drew up this. I'm not shy. Guys, come on. I must have enough figures. 2 9s. Yeah. Guys, you can't talk. People not. They don't see you. Alright. So the answer would be 18. But as I said, I took away the answers because I don't want you guys to be guessing. When you go in exam, you're supposed to can sit down and match up everything when them give you. No joke about it. Alright. This one says 3a plus 5b minus 4a plus 2b. With algebra, we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. That is the first thing. We cannot add or subtract unlike terms. Only can add and subtract like terms. When we say like terms, we mean them the same. So like when you have A, we can add those. 5b and 2b. So the first thing, we group them. But we must maintain the sign that is in front of it. So if we have 3a, this is minus 4a, so you have minus 4a plus 5b, because there's a plus in front of it, and there's a plus here so also. See? And then now we say 3a minus 4a. Remember when the signs are different, we subtract, right? And we keep the sign at the bigger one. And we have videos on that. So 3a minus that will be minus a. 5b plus 2b would be 7b. Guys, when you can't talk, now make the signal. They're not trouble. Alright. Let us look at this one now. This one is a little bit different. It says 3a bracket a plus b minus b bracket 2a minus 3b. So as you see this, the first thing you must notice the what? What different about this one and this one? The bracket, very good. In math, what bracket mean? Multiply. So we know so we have to multiply. Let me tell you a trick with math. If you are doing a math and you see a fraction or a bracket, immediately you know say you have to get rid of the bracket and you have to get rid of the fraction. Especially if you add and subtract, you find the lowest common multiple. I have videos on that also. So this means 3a times b. So if we should rewrite this, it should be like this. 3a times b plus 3a, no, a for the years. Put it like all times b. So you're using 3a multiplied by what's in the bracket. So 3a times a and 3a times b. So now we go down to b. And you know b is a special letter, right? Bennett. You get it? Bennett, yeah. So negative so negative b times 2a plus negative b times negative 3b. And then we can multiply. So 3a times a would be 3a squared, because we add the power, and 3a times b would be 3ab. So now we are use b, negative b. So negative b times that is negative 2ab, and negative b times minus 3b is plus 3b. We're not done enough. Don't worry about this. Alright. We have a group we like terms, but they are a group already, right? So 3a squared, there's no other a squared. So we can write back that. So it's 3a squared and it's b. This is 3b. Oh, square flip on this. Sorry. Because b times b will b. So write back this also. Because this now will change. Only like terms are these in the middle. 3ab and 2ab. So if you have 3ab minus 2ab, what's that?
1AB.
Very good. 1ab. Or normally we just write ab. Because if you put the 1, it's perfectly correct. Because 3 minus 2 is 1. Alright, very good. See? Now for the shy man. Alright, this one now, 8a squared. What does square mean? That's the first thing you ask yourself. Bracket and square. Yeah, so you multiply it by itself. Very good. So 8a times 8b. Did I say 8? I'm live. Let us speak properly. 8. Yeah. So 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 8 is a square. I'm just flying from London, England, you know, guys. That's true. I England we come from today. Alright. This is algebra. Guys, I get this out of a multiple choice past paper book. My HOD, Mrs. Evans, she has sell them only $1,500. Not sure how I can get them to Kingston, but I could make you guys get it. It's very good. It have a lot of maths in there, 50 multiple choice for each topic. I probably can show you. I don't know nobody has body. See it here? csec. This is old because I buy it from Good Time Now. So the topics are computation and number theory, algebra, sets, consumer arithmetic, measurement, trigonometry, geometry, statistics, graphs, vectors and matrices, specimen papers. See there, I'm not lying. It's only $1,500. If you buy from them on a half a tree, 1,000 for one past paper. See? Everybody want to learn, but who want to learn by it. Most of them, I do a lot of stuff from this on my channel. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get a free ad. Alright. So let us look at number 5. Again, we have what? Bracket. So we have to get rid of the bracket, right? So let us do that. So negative 4, this is a negative 4, it's not a positive 4, so we're going to multiply by negative 4. So negative 4 times b would be negative 4b, and the negative 4 times negative 5, and negative times a negative positive. Very good. See? Parents, pick up on yourself. See, so I'm pick me and learn. Go about the 8b now. And then it's see, did the one a nice here, it already grew. So you just say 8b minus 4b. And you get what? 4b plus 20. We can rewrite this if we want, you know. We can factor out the 4 and just say 4. 4 into 4 leave b, 4 into that leave 5. Either way, any one of those answers are correct. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, so this one, I had to put in the answer because this one is a little bit different. Number 6 says, if A is an odd number, which is also odd. Hey, you want to hear my students' opinion on this one? Even if you not reach this Shini, tell me what you think about it. Which would you choose? Imagine this. 1 mark to pass. Which would you choose? Let's get ready to rumble. Chante, which one is that? This is what he said. He said if A is an odd number, which is also odd. 3A plus 1 or A plus 2 or 2A plus 2 or A plus 1. Which would you choose and why?
B.
Tony says she choose B.
Because A represents our name, or the plus 3 probably.
That is very good. You can use 1. One of the simplest odd number that you know. So you can do trial and error. Very good, Tony. Tony. So look, say the number was 1. And you add 2 to it. You get 3. Because remember, you have hard, even, hard, even, hard. You understand? So if you add, this would be our type of number. If you have an odd number, you add 1 to it. It'll be our. Very good. Parents, you see? You know, pick me and learn. Very good though, very good, very good. Yeah. So the answer would be this. Let me just take it. I don't like to give answers in multiple choice because I like when my students have to work out and think about what they're doing and so forth. But pick up on yourself, good job. Alright. So this one now, it can be tricky, but it's fairly simple. So he says 2a cubed or 2a to the third power times bracket 2a to the third power. They are not the same, they are different, right? So let us just talk about what it actually means. This means you multiply 2a by itself how many times? 3 times. So I put it apart first. Remember the bonus rule? See it? So this is how they try to trick you. And then now we can just say 2a cubed. So we can just multiply now. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. Yeah. So now remember when we remember the law of indices. A to the cube times a is like you have this. A to the cube times a times a times a. We do what with the powers? Add. So we add the powers. So this are to the 1, this are to the 1. So we add 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we get a 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 to the 6. That would be our answer. On to the final one now. Alright. This is basically saying that 2x is less than 4 or less than or equal to 6. So all we have to do now is get rid of this 2 right there by dividing by 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Let's use a different color. So this 2, yeah, we want to get x by itself. Always that, x by itself. From here to math that. 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Less than, so we get the x now. 3. Parents, thank you to sending bright students to class, alright? Alright guys, people on the live, we're going to end the live now because you don't know anything go. We'll continue with class, but we just wanted to share some of what we're doing with you guys. So, if you're joining later, big up yourself, pause the video, make sure you try the questions them. Oh guys, I have to play one song cool. I cool song, it's on my channel, check it out. The other the video will come out soon. I cool. Can't even find my phone. It's on my channel. Just type in Lennox Bennett I cool and you'll find it. The body song for the summer. And we're going to feature Shini in the video, you know. She could have deal. Shanti, you know. Tony, you have to come now and do the thing. All you have to do is just drink one Aiko, that's all. You don't have to sit, you don't have to dance and prance.
Video?
Yeah. Alright peeps, big up on yourself.